he is the best person to tell you all about the master plan and the way it was taken that time, and now it's how it's going on. So now with this small introduction, once again I welcome you all. Welcome, Professor, to the studio, and also all the other professors of MIDAS. I welcome them hand-folded to the studio of jointly done by SPAB and MIDAS.
Now you are all internet connected.
Yes.
You have to be very careful when you are going for future. Any suggestions, and ICT cannot be ignored also. Not just only the building technology and energy savings, but what will happen to the different the beneficiaries in this location. So there are residents, there are industrial people, there are government people, and all these things are going to become communication.
This joint studio also may help you. One of the things from your friends you might be hearing, and that will definitely you will remember after 15 years or 20 years, like how we have now remembering those things. Same way this joint studio will give you memorable things in your life. And thanks to all the members. If I miss anyone, pardon me please if I miss anyone. Thank you all. Thank you.
Hello, this is Shrivani Ampuri, student of MIDAS Institute of Design and Architecture, Swarnabhumi. Today we had a session with School of Planning, Vijayawada. It was a event for rethinking of the design plan of MIDAS Swarnabhumi. So we were divided into batches, and then batches include with SPA and Mark, and we had a session where we tried to develop a new plan or new elements in the art of Swarnabhumi. So it was a very interesting session with sharing knowledge with planning and architecture.
So I'm Sridhar from 3rd year B-Plan, School of Planning and Architecture, Vijayawada. So today we had this amazing combined studio with 4th year BR students of MIDAS Institute of Design and Architecture, Swarnabhumi, which was a very insightful session. First we had a tour of the entire township, and then we had an explanation on what everything was about, the land use, the planning but the planning was really old, which was like 17 years ago by HOK architects from the US. But today in this combined studio, we sat with the architecture students and we had elements from both the fields, that is architecture and planning, and we had discussions on various aspects of the master plan, that is rethinking the master plan of this MIDAS Swarnabhumi township. And apart from that, we had 8 groups, and these groups talked about the physical infrastructure of the plan, land use of the plan, the mobility, the connectivity of the plan, and then we had a group talking about 5-year and 10-year plan of this master plan. And it was a very insightful session, and we are really grateful for having this wonderful opportunity for sharing our knowledge and getting knowledge from the architecture students, and working under the able guidance of our professor and head Dr. Abdul Razak. And thank you very much.